Once upon a time, in the enchanting world of Wonderland, Alice came across a mirror that shimmered with mystical allure. Drawn to it, she stepped closer, only to be pulled into a gloomy reflection of her beloved Wonderland by a glassy surface that rippled like disturbed water. This parallel Wonderland was a stark contrast to Alice's vibrant home, with the sky cloaked in dark clouds and an ominous silence enveloping the air. Disoriented yet resilient, Alice roamed this grim landscape until she encountered a figure that was the mirror image of herself, but twisted with malevolence. Her evil twin sneered.
"Only one of us can return to the real Wonderland. Are you ready to duel, Alice?"
A shiver of fear ran down Alice's spine, but she stood tall, meeting the scornful smirk of her double with determined eyes. What ensued was a game of mind-bending riddles, each one more complex and unnerving than the last. The doppelganger gloated, anticipating Alice's downfall. However, Alice, using her keen intellect and indomitable spirit, kept pace with every riddle thrown her way. The final, seemingly impossible riddle echoed in the eerie silence.
"I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I?"
Alice felt the gravity of her situation, her mind racing as the winds howled ominously around them. Then in a moment of clarity, she uttered the answer.
An echo.
A doppelganger responded with a shriek of rage, disintegrating into a whirlwind of darkness. Alice felt herself being drawn back to her own world, but a cold grip suddenly clutched her ankle. The doppelganger, in a final desperate move, attempted to pull her back. The snarl of her double rang out,
"Alice!"
as she flickered like a dying flame. But Alice, summoning newfound strength, kicked free, soaring towards her world just as the mirror realm began to crumble. Touching down in the familiar setting of Wonderland, Alice could feel her heart pounding in victory. She glanced back at the now dormant mirror, reflecting nothing but the tranquil beauty of Wonderland. Her triumphant smile was all the more brilliant as she turned away, ready for her next adventure. As she moved, she noticed a strange new tattoo of a black flower on her ankle, a lasting reminder of her encounter. In the distance, she could still hear the chilling echoes of her doppelganger's final laugh, a testament to her courage and victory. Like and subscribe for more short stories.